Welcome back, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We recently published a comprehensive blog post. The title is How to Add or Claim Your Local HVAC Business or Appliance Repair Facebook Business Page. In this video, we'll give you a brief overview of the key points covered in the article and encourage you to visit our blog for the full details. So let's dive in. Creating a new Facebook business page for your local business. The first point we cover in our blog post is all about creating a brand new Facebook business page for your local HVAC or appliance repair business. We break down the process into several steps to make it easier for you. Step 1. Creating a new Facebook business page for your local business. We guide you through the initial steps of setting up your page. Step 2. Adding your business information. Learn how to input all the essential details about your business to provide a complete profile. Step 3. Incorporating your business logo. Discover the importance of adding your business logo and how it helps in building your brand identity. Step 4. Establishing a connection with WhatsApp. We'll show you how to integrate WhatsApp into your Facebook business page for seamless communication. Step 5. Fine-tuning your page details. Find out how to refine your page by adding additional information and customizing various sections. Step 6. Accessing the page settings. Learn how to navigate the page settings and optimize your Facebook business page for better visibility and engagement. Creating multiple business pages for your local HVAC business or appliance repair company. Now, if you're running a multi-location HVAC or appliance repair company, our blog post has got you covered as well. We explore the process of creating multiple business pages to cater to your various service areas. Step 1. Logging in and locating your page. We'll guide you through accessing your existing Facebook business page. Step 2. Establishing the page connection. Learn how to connect your main page to the additional pages you want to create. Step 3. Confirming the setup of your main page. Ensure that your main page is properly set up to manage the multiple location pages effectively. Step 4. Adding location. Store pages. We'll show you how to add location-specific pages to represent each of your service areas accurately. How to request access to HVAC or appliance repair claimed pages. Sometimes, you may find that a Facebook business page already exists for your HVAC or appliance repair business, but you don't have access to it. In our blog post, we address this issue and provide guidance on how to request access to claimed pages. Managing your Facebook business page, overview and tips. Managing your Facebook business page effectively is crucial for success. We offer an overview of page management and share some valuable tips to help you make the most out of your page's potential. The conclusion. To wrap things up, our blog post concludes with a concise summary of all the key points discussed, reinforcing the importance of a well-optimized Facebook business page for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Learn more from other posts related to business listings. If you're hungry for more insights on business listings, we recommend exploring other related posts on our blog. They cover a wide range of topics that can further enhance your online presence and grow your business. Supercharge your online presence and generate tons of leads. Before we end this video, here's an exciting offer for you. Get a free digital marketing review session to supercharge your online presence and generate tons of leads. Don't miss out on this opportunity. That concludes our video overview of our latest blog post, How to Add or Claim Your Local HVAC Business or Appliance Repair Facebook Business Page. We highly encourage you to visit our blog and read the full article for in-depth information and step-by-step instructions. Remember, a well-optimized Facebook business page can make a significant difference in growing your HVAC or appliance repair business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.